Keep your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees comfortably so that they are directly under your hips. Don't let your arms be too far forward or your knees too far back, keeping the natural C curve in your lower back and always looking down. Keep your arm extended and your leg always pushing upwards as if you're touching the sky with your heel and hand, always keeping your abdomen very tight. When the movement is dynamic, be careful not to bend your knees and elbows. Keep them extended and reaching upwards the entire time. Enjoyed the video? Then like it and send it to that friend of yours who always gets the bird dog wrong.